Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Threads box to review for you guys. So I have reviewed this before. It is a subscription box where you get a cool t-shirt and either a graphic novel or a comic book, and it's only like $12.99 a month, but if you prepay you can get discounted prices, which is awesome. If I have any sort of discount link, I will definitely leave that in the description box as well. So this month I got this cool Aquaman shirt. I love the vintage design. All of the shirts are exclusively designed for Threads, and the shirts come in men's small all the way up to 4XL or women's small up to 2XL. This is a medium. Just, you know, for reference sake, this particular shirt is a little bit on the slim side, but you know, I actually kind of like it. I think it's cute. A little bit tight on my arms, but that's okay. So that's the subscription, and also if you just go on their website, they have lots of other cool stuff that you can get, you know, just one-off, not necessarily in the subscription, but the subscription is great if you want to be surprised with fun new things and cool graphic novels. This is actually, I think, the third Star Trek one that I've gotten, which are very cool, and it is a hardcover book with, you know, beautiful artwork in here. I've gotten several different styles and types, DC, Marvel, you know, you've got just fun things. So if you do like graphic novels, comic books, that sort of a thing, or know somebody who does, I think this is a really cool and fun subscription, and I am loving my Aquaman shirt. It's kind of silly, and I just totally dig it. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!